Looking for a slice of Caribbean paradise where everything is taken care of? Let's dive deep into what Fiesta Americana Cozumel all-inclusive has to offer. This resort sits on the stunning island of Cozumel, just off Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, and promises guests an authentic tropical escape with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a quality all-inclusive property. From the moment you step onto the property, you're greeted with that warm Mexican hospitality that the region is famous for, and the promise of days filled with sunshine, crystal-clear waters, and absolutely no worries about reaching for your wallet every time you want a drink or a snack. The resort caters to couples, families, and groups of friends looking to unplug from daily stress and reconnect with what matters most. Whether you're the type who wants to spend every waking hour exploring coral reefs and Mayan ruins, or you'd rather park yourself on a beach lounger with a cold drink and a good book, this place has something for everyone. The location on Cozumel Island means you're surrounded by some of the most spectacular diving and snorkeling sites in the world, yet you're still close enough to mainland attractions if you want to venture out for a day trip. The resort strikes that balance between offering enough on-site amenities to keep you entertained for your entire stay, while also serving as a perfect base for exploring everything this magical part of Mexico has to offer. When it comes to accommodations, Fiesta Americana Cozumel really delivers on comfort and space. The rooms here are designed with relaxation in mind, featuring contemporary Mexican decor that brings in local colors and textures without feeling overdone or kitschy. Standard rooms offer plenty of space for couples or small families, with comfortable bedding that actually lets you sleep in past sunrise if that's your vacation style. Many rooms come with private balconies or terraces where you can enjoy your morning coffee while watching the Caribbean come to life, or wind down in the evening with the ocean breeze keeping you cool. The views from these balconies range from lush tropical gardens to stunning ocean vistas, depending on your room category and what you book. Inside, you'll find air conditioning that actually works, which is crucial when you're in the tropics, along with flat-screen televisions, mini fridges stocked daily with beverages, and bathrooms that are clean and functional with good water pressure in the showers. For families or groups wanting more space, the suites provide separate living areas, upgraded amenities, and often better views and more privacy. These larger accommodations typically include additional perks like premium liquor options, upgraded toiletries, and sometimes even access to exclusive lounge areas or private check-in services. The family suites are particularly well thought out, with configurations that give parents a bit of privacy while keeping the kids close by. Some room categories also offer direct access to certain pool areas, which is a nice touch if you're traveling with little ones or just prefer the convenience of stepping right from your patio into the water. The housekeeping staff does an excellent job of keeping rooms fresh and tidy, with daily service that includes towel animals for the kids and careful attention to restocking everything you need. One thing guests consistently mention is how well-maintained everything feels, from the furniture to the fixtures, showing that the resort takes pride in keeping their accommodations in top condition rather than letting them slide into that worn-down feeling some all-inclusives develop over time. Now let's talk about what might be the most important part of any all-inclusive experience, the food and drink situation. Fiesta Americana Cozumel offers multiple dining venues, each bringing something different to the table, which means you won't get bored eating the same buffet meals day after day. The main buffet restaurant serves all three meals and offers an impressive spread of international dishes alongside Mexican favorites. Breakfast here is particularly strong, with made-to-order omelets, fresh fruit, pastries, and enough variety to satisfy both adventurous eaters and picky kids who just want familiar foods. Lunch and dinner at the buffet rotate through different themes and regional cuisines, giving you a chance to try everything from Italian pasta dishes to Asian stir-fries, all while having reliable standbys like grilled meats and fresh salads available every day. Beyond the buffet, the resort features several specialty restaurants that require reservations but are included in your all-inclusive package. These venues really elevate the dining experience, offering more intimate settings and focused menus. The Mexican restaurant showcases authentic regional dishes with flavors that go way beyond the typical tacos and burritos most people associate with Mexican food. You'll find rich moles, fresh ceviches, and perfectly grilled seafood prepared with traditional techniques and local ingredients. The Italian restaurant delivers solid pasta dishes, wood-fired pizzas, and classic preparations that hit the spot when you're craving something familiar and comforting. There's also typically a steakhouse or grill option where you can get quality cuts of meat cooked to your preference, along with seafood options for those who prefer lighter fare. The service at these specialty restaurants tends to be more attentive and personal than at the buffet, making them perfect for special occasions or when you just want to slow down and enjoy a proper meal without the chaos of a busy dining hall. When it comes to bars, you'll find several scattered around the property, from the main lobby bar to pool bars and a beach bar where you can get drinks without ever leaving your lounger. The bartenders are generally skilled at making classic cocktails, and while the top-shelf liquor options might be limited or require an upgrade depending on your room category, the standard offerings are perfectly fine for vacation drinking. You'll have access to beer, wine, mixed drinks, and non-alcoholic options throughout the day and into the evening. The resort also usually offers some kind of coffee bar or cafe where you can get decent espresso drinks, cappuccinos, and light snacks between meals, which is a nice touch for those who need their caffeine fix or want a little something to tide them over until dinner. The pool and beach situation at Fiesta Americana Cozumel is where this resort really shines. The main pool area is spacious and well-designed, with plenty of loungers that actually have cushions, not just those hard plastic numbers that leave you aching after an hour. The pool itself is large enough that it never feels overcrowded, even during peak season, with varying depths that work for both swimmers and those who just want to wade in and cool off. There's typically a swim-up bar integrated into the pool area, which is always a crowd pleaser because who doesn't love the convenience of getting a fresh drink without having to get out of the water and drip all the way to the bar. The pool deck has plenty of shaded areas with palapas and umbrellas, so you're not forced to bake in the direct sun all day if that's not your thing. For families, there's usually a separate area with a shallower pool or splash features designed for younger children, giving parents peace of mind and giving kids a space that's more appropriate for their size and swimming ability. The beach access is one of the resort's major selling points. Cozumel's beaches aren't always the wide, powdery sand expanses you might find in other parts of the Caribbean, but what they lack in beach volleyball space they make up for with incredibly clear water and amazing marine life just offshore. The resort's beach area is well maintained, with staff regularly grooming the sand and keeping things tidy. Beach loungers and umbrellas are plentiful, and there's typically beach service so you can order drinks and snacks without trekking back to the main resort area. The water entry can be a bit rocky in spots, which is common for Cozumel, so water shoes are a smart idea if you have sensitive feet. However, this rocky coastline is exactly what creates the amazing snorkeling opportunities right off the beach. You can literally grab a mask and snorkel from the water sports hut and within minutes be swimming alongside colorful tropical fish, rays, and if you're lucky, sea turtles. The water visibility is typically excellent, making it easy to spot marine life even if you're not an experienced snorkeler. For those who want to go beyond just swimming and snorkeling, the resort usually offers various water activities and sports, some included and some for an additional fee. Kayaks and paddleboards are often available for guests to use, letting you explore the coastline at your own pace. The resort can also arrange diving excursions, which is a must-do in Cozumel since the island is home to part of the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second largest coral reef system in the world. Even if you're not a certified diver, many operators offer discover diving experiences or can connect you with certification courses. The beach and pool areas really capture that laid-back Caribbean vibe, with music playing at a reasonable volume, staff circulating to check if you need anything, and that general sense that the biggest decision you need to make is whether to go for another swim or order another drink. When it comes to staying active and entertained, Fiesta Americana Cozumel offers a solid range of activities that go beyond just lying by the pool. The resort typically has a fitness center equipped with cardio machines, free weights, and basic strength training equipment, so you can keep up with your workout routine even while on vacation, or at least convince yourself that one treadmill session balances out all those buffet meals and frozen cocktails. The gym usually has air conditioning and is kept reasonably clean, though it might not have all the latest equipment or the extensive options you'd find at a dedicated fitness club back home. Beyond the gym, you'll often find organized activities throughout the day, from water aerobics in the pool to beach volleyball games, dance classes, and various sports tournaments. The animation team works to keep energy levels up and encourage guests to participate, though they're generally not as aggressively enthusiastic as you might find at some other resort chains, which depending on your personality is either a positive or a negative. There are usually options for tennis or other court sports, giving you a chance to work up a real sweat if lounging around starts to feel too sedentary. Evening entertainment typically includes live music, shows, or themed parties, providing something to do after dinner beyond just hitting the bar. The quality of entertainment can vary, but it's generally professional enough to be enjoyable, especially if you go in with realistic expectations rather than hoping for Broadway-level productions. For those interested in local culture, the resort sometimes offers activities like Spanish lessons, cooking demonstrations featuring regional dishes, or craft sessions where you can learn traditional Mexican arts. These cultural touches add a bit of depth to the vacation experience and give you some connection to the destination beyond just the resort bubble. The spa and wellness facilities provide a welcome retreat when you need some serious relaxation or want to treat yourself to some pampering. The spa typically offers a menu of treatments ranging from massages to facials, body wraps, and various specialized therapies. The massage therapists are generally skilled and professional, offering everything from Swedish relaxation massages to deeper tissue work for those carrying tension or dealing with sore muscles. The treatment rooms are usually peaceful and well-appointed, designed to create that sense of escape and tranquility that makes spa experiences special. Prices for spa services are typically not included in the all-inclusive package and can be on the higher side, but the quality is usually worth it if you're in the mood to splurge a bit. The spa area often includes additional amenities like steam rooms, saunas, or hydrotherapy facilities that might be available to spa guests or sometimes to all resort guests depending on the setup. Some resorts in this category also offer beachside massage services, letting you get a treatment while listening to the waves and feeling the ocean breeze, which is about as relaxing as it gets. For wellness beyond spa treatments, there might be yoga classes offered, either in a dedicated space or on the beach during sunrise or sunset, providing a chance to stretch, breathe, and center yourself in a beautiful setting. These classes are usually suitable for all levels, from complete beginners to experienced practitioners, with instructors who can offer modifications based on your ability and comfort. The overall wellness philosophy tends to focus on relaxation and stress relief rather than intensive fitness or strict programs, which fits perfectly with the vacation mindset most guests bring to an all-inclusive resort. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.